Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for returning to some more Monday motivation. As you guys can see, I have piles and piles of laundry. So this video is going to be some serious laundry motivation for you guys. I hate doing laundry. I'm being honest. I'm always behind, and you guys will see why a little bit later in this video. I'm also showing you guys how you can deep clean and deodorize your mattress. So if you guys like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. And I'd love for you to subscribe if you're new and leave me some comments below. That always helps me out. So first, I'm going to be starting with this massive pile of laundry sitting in my closet. First, I'm just separating them out in piles of lights, darks, whites, and all of that. I feel like I had to laugh during this quarantine time because I feel like all my mom friends are like, I got all my laundry done, I'm all caught up, and then I'm over here like, I think I'm more behind on laundry than I was before, but this is just real life for me. Many of you guys have asked me for a laundry routine, and I have always said that I do not have one, and this is exactly why. Because my washer and dryer are not in my apartment, and I have to walk all this distance to do my laundry. I know that it could be worse, and I could not have one at my complex at all, but it definitely can be completely exhausting and a workout for me to be carrying my laundry baskets back and forth like that. And then you really have to be on top of it because you have to be mindful of other people and just everything. It is a lot of work for me. So the day that I have a washer and dryer in my apartment is going to be the greatest day ever. I will say that a bonus for this is that I can do like 4 loads at once instead of just one at a time. So it is a lot faster, but it also definitely is very expensive, and I hate that part too. As I was working my way through all the piles of laundry, I decided it was a perfect time to deep clean and deodorize my mattress. I had learned a while back that people sweat at night when they are sleeping, and that gets in their mattress and can leave stains, especially if you don't have a mattress protector, which I just bought one recently. And also dead skin cells shed on your bed as well. So first, I am vacuuming off my bed just to get up any dirt or dead skin cells. This specific vacuum is actually a sanitizing vacuum. It has UV lights in it that help sanitize, but you can use any vacuum that you do have. Meanwhile, my daughter is doing math worksheets in the closet with all of our animals. This is mom life. And I'm going to be cleaning the mattress with 3 ingredients: baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, as well as soapy water. So I added about 8 ounces of hydrogen peroxide with a few drops of dish soap and about 3 tablespoons of baking soda, and I cleaned my mattress pretty rigorously with it. And then I am taking the baking soda and I am pouring it pretty generously all over my mattress, and I'm going to be letting it sit for a couple of hours while I do all of my laundry. It has now been several hours, and I'm going to be vacuuming up all of the baking soda. I like to fold my husband's shirts like this so that he can see them easily. If not, because most of them are black, he has no idea what shirt is what, and he kind of will just like flip through all the shirts. spin around. You win! Ta-da! Can you guys tell that I used to work retail a lot and fold clothes all the time? Okay, that is all that I have for you guys in this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this laundry motivation / deep bed clean with me. And if you did like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments below. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.